Hello, Arjan Timmerman, here at KubeCon 2024 in the most beautiful city of the world, right, Max? Max is behind the camera. He's a Frenchman loving Paris. So
I can imagine.
we're here at StackState, and this awesome gentleman, the most beautiful of the stand I've heard, is going to tell us what StackState is all about.
Yeah, thanks a lot. So my name is Andreas Prins. I'm the CEO here at StackState. And StackState is a full stack observability company. And what we mean with full stack is that we really serve all the different players in the development teams, from platform teams, development teams, but also network operations centers. And what is really cool here at KubeCon is that we see a breakthrough of OpenTelemetry. It's not only the suppliers, right, the vendors using OpenTelemetry, but also the user communities, enterprises, big and small, are really embracing standards like OpenTelemetry. The other beauty part, what I really like here at KubeCon, is not all about AI. So it's just, right, applying AI for the purpose of what it's used for and not just to call it out. A bit more about StackState. As mentioned, we're an observability company. We really help large and smaller enterprises that are moving to the cloud or are already established as a cloud native company to build observability practices and really help out engineering teams troubleshoot their applications really quickly to increase reliability. Because what we've noticed in the market is that many teams ultimately use dashboards, they get alerts, but whenever they go to the dashboard, they have actually no clue what to do and truly understand how a cluster, Kubernetes, OpenShift, whatever, would operate. Where StackState is unique, first and foremost, it helps you understand all the dependencies from top to bottom in your stack. And that helps to do root cause analysis really quick. And then second, and that's probably more important, we provide remediation guides. For every unique issue, there's a unique remediation guide. And that's where the knowledge of the experts, platform engineers, and SREs are kept. And that's what then the dev engineers can use. The beauty, increased reliability, but more important, they can turn back to feature development and really focus on adding new capabilities that matter the most for the business. And that's in a nutshell what StackState does.
That's a really awesome nutshell, to be honest. But so, is this your first KubeCon, or is it the second, the third? What is it?
Yeah, well, if people recall, last year was Amsterdam.
Yeah.
And StackState has its offices close to Amsterdam, so absolutely we participated at KubeCon Amsterdam. Was our first KubeCon, this time second. Last time we just launched our product. Looking in hindsight, I would almost say that was an MVP, right? Which is really cool. We got a lot of good feedback, closed many new customers. And today, well, you've seen the telescope over here next to me. We really bring issues close by and help engineers resolve it. I must admit, Paris, yes, your friends behind the camera, is better than Amsterdam.
I totally agree on that one, to be honest. So there's, you already said it. There is a lot going on in the industry. Both of us are coming from the infrastructure part of things. So having insights into what's going on is really important. But I think if you combine the two, if you combine the event and combine what is going on in the industry, it's really interesting to know what you think of the event. As we look at it, it's kind of getting more and more into a real DevOps kind of community, where it kind of tended to be more of a dev kind of community. It really transitioned to into DevOps this year. Is that what you see as well?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and you could argue that cloud platforms, right? We democratize the way how we deploy and how to get it out in production. That's super simple. And then CI/CD, right? The other big trend truly helps to get apps really quickly on the cloud. So both angles are automated, but now still there's complexity. Because what if your application interacts with a lower infrastructure? How do you actually truly understand what is causing the issue? So the disciplines are coming closer. And I do think now the real challenge is, can we further simplify the complexity of the stack, application and infra, and then truly almost get rid of that annoying fixing issues so we can focus on true business value. And I do think, honestly speaking, that is something some companies forget, right? Because they love to do tech without keeping the bigger picture in mind.
It is what some of the companies really love doing, although it's a hard thing to do, right? Yeah, you've got the new, you've got the old. A lot of companies are still in transition between the two, but as you said, providing the correct and the real insights into what's happening on the Kubernetes side, but also on the infrastructure side, is what really is needed within this world. So I want to thank you for the interview. Really awesome, and who knows? Maybe we'll see each other next year again.
Where is it next time? Do you know?
I don't know.
I don't know either. No. We'll absolutely be there.
Yeah.
Check it out, StackState.com, and looking forward.
Awesome. Thank you.